Okay, so this is my Timex keypad clock. It's a pretty cool clock.
What are we gonna do?
Pretty cool. I mean, it's got this keypad instead of just up, and it's super simple.
But it's critical.
What?
It's critical. What are we gonna do?
No, the time is critical. Okay, so anyway, with this clock, I have a battery. I have a battery in there, and I just noticed that it's doing this. This is the battery low.
Oh no, it's critical.
What is up with you, Nomorejeffs?
The battery's critical.
What the heck?
What are we gonna do?
I'll have to name the title Critical Battery on that video. Okay, so anyway, now all the YouTube users know how that got its name because of you, because you know that the battery's critical.
Uh-oh.
Okay, so anyway, I just saw this flashing message that tells me that the battery is critical.
Oh, the battery's critical. What are we gonna do?
And, wait a minute! This is critical?! Oh, the smoke.